Hello everyone, we are from Battery and our project name is Apple Radio Tree. Myself, Kumar.
Myself, B. Lirana.
I'm Sajjan. I'm Sandeep Raj. We are going to see about the mechanisms and how they are going to work.
First, we should feed the apple in the feeder, and feeder is used to help the apple go to the next station, and next station is slider, and slider which is hold this apple to the rotary pocket, and rotary pocket which is used to give the apple at one time with the interval of break in 10 seconds gap.
So next, after apple coming here, it will go to the sensing area. After sensing area, color sensor will sense the apple and will send the signals to the controller. As you can see, there will be a controller. So it will decide the controller which the grade of apple. After the container will be continuously moving and will receive to the near proximity sensor area. Proximity sensor area will sense the proximity sensor and will actuate the DAC. If the apple is A grade, the actuator will actuate the DAC and will actually go to the A grade apple, A grade container. And then no, it's not A grade, it will go to a B grade. So here another proximity sensor is that it will sense and it will give signals to a controller. Controller will give sense to electromagnetic. Then electromagnetic will actuate at DAC B grade. It will actuate and go to the B grade container. No, if apple is not given A grade, neither B grade, it will straight go for C grade container.
This is the feeder mechanism which the apples will be done, and this will be operated by a Johnson gear motor which is connected downside, and its RPM is 30. Now we are going to see about gear motor, conveyor gear motor. This has 60 RPM which is used to pull the PVC belt. Now after that we are going to see about the Johnson gear motor which will be connected to bevel gear to roll the pocket. Bevel gear is, we are using bevel gear for the high torque and the accuracy. We see about e-stop switch and on-off switch. Now e-stop switch is used to stop the machine whenever the emergency occurs. When you hit the button, it will automatically stop all the functions in the machine. Now we are going to see about on-off switch. If you push the on button, it will hold in on position and stay in working mode. If you want to off the machine, you have to press off button to stop the actuation and stop the all functions of machine. Now I am telling about DAC. The double acting cylinder which we have used is made up of aluminium cylinder and it has a stroke length of 200 mm. And we are going to use two cylinders for our project because one will be for A grade and one will be for B grade. C will automatically fall into the container.
Here about to tell about the controller box and then what are the components present in the controller box and then what are the specifications of the components. Buck-up method. We have in our project we have three buck-up methods. What is the role of buck-up method? It steps the voltage 24 into 12 voltage and two buck-up methods used to proximity sensor and one buck-up method used to feeder motor. Four channel relay used to actually electromagnetic valve, feeder motors and the conveyor motor as per the controller signal. Switching circuit. If a color sensor sends the A grade apple means controller gives the signal for A grade switching circuit. If the A grade proximity sensor gets on until the A grade apples cross the proximity sensor. Whenever the A grade apples cross the IA sensor and the DAC automatically actuated and drop down the A grade apple. SMPS to manipulate the motors and the electromagnetic valve. And what control you use means Raspberry Pi. It collects the real-time data of the color sensor to give as per the signal Raspberry Pi and the switching circuit.